Welcome to RM Biology. In today's video, I will discuss about KCET examination biology answer key which held in 18th April 2024. So let's start. The paper code is B2. First question: which among the following is used to treat emphysema? Emphysema treat. The answer is C. Human protein alpha antitrypsin. Homeostasis is a condition where the organism maintain a constant internal environment in ever-changing external environment. Option A is correct. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a parasitic adaptation? The answer is absence of adhesive organs or suckers. DNA polymerase of Thermus aquaticus is thermostable. Option D is correct. Question number 5. If a recombinant DNA bearing a gene for resistance to ampicillin is transferred into E. coli cell, host cell become transformed into ampicillin resistant cells. What happens when these E. coli are grown on medium containing ampicillin? Answer is non-transformants will die and transformants will grow. Next question, number 6. Which of the following based upon the principle of antigen-antibody interaction? It is ELISA. A strict protection of biodiversity hotspot could reduce the ongoing mass extinction by 30%. Option C. Identify the incorrect match with respect to recently extinct animals and their place of extinction according to IUCN Red List. The correct option is option D, the stellar sea cow, North America. According to the hypothesis proposed by environmental biologists, a relatively constant environment in tropic promotes niche specialization and greater species diversity. Means B option is correct. In the prevention of air pollution, the role of scrubber is to remove gaseous SO2. Option C is correct. Next question, match column. Correct option is option B. Correct option is option B. A equal to Q, nitrogen rich fertilizer eutrophication. Carbon dioxide greenhouse effect. Carbon monoxide air pollutant. CFC ozone depletion. Option B is correct. Following representation P, Q and R denote few steps of Griffith experiment. Identify the correct one. R strain inject into mice, mice die. A strain heat kill inject into mice, mice die. R strain inject into mice, mice alive. Only R is correct. Only R is correct. Option B is the right option. In tRNA, the region that binds with mRNA is anticodon loop of tRNA. The mRNA has untranslated region UTR at both 3' end and 5' end beyond terminator codon and before the AUG respectively. In structural gene, the template DNA strand has nucleotide sequences. Hence, find the correct and complementary nucleotide sequence on coding strand. Answer is option C. Next question, question number 16, statement based question. All vertebrates develop a row of vestigial gill slits during embryonic stage. Embryos always pass through the adult stage of other animals. Which of the following option is correct with reference to these statements? Answer A is the right option. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. Which of the following exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle? Haplodiplontic life cycle. Option D, ectocarpus, haplodiplontic life cycle show. Identify the phylum which shows the following characteristics. Animals are exclusively marine, radially symmetrical and diploblastic. Body wears 8 external rows of ciliated completes which help in locomotion. Digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Reproduction by sexual mode. Here is key point is body bears 8 external rows which present in ctenophora only. Complete present in ctenophora only. When a flower has both stamens and carpels, known as or described as bisexual. Ciliated epithelial cells are present in bronchioles. Next question 21. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to vacuoles? Option B is correct. Exoskeleton of arthropod is made up of chitin. As similar to fungi. The enzyme recombinase is required to which state of meiosis 1? Recombinase zygote phase or zygote stage. The water potential of pure water is always to be 0. Then one more match column. Pigments and chlorophyll in chromatogram. The correct option is option B. Chlorophyll B yellow green. Carotenoid yellow orange. Chlorophyll A blue green. Xanthophyll is yellow. Option B is correct option. Next 26. Which is intermediate compound that links the end product of glycolysis with TCA? Very easy question. TCA cycle. Acetyl CoA is the intermediate compound. Auxin equal to apical dominance, then gibberellin equal to blank ache. So answer is blotting. The term uremia refers to accumulation of urea in blood. Option A is correct. The typical love-dove sounds heard during the heartbeat are produced due to closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valve followed by semilunar valves. The functional unit of contraction is a portion of myofibril between two successive Z line. Then one more match column. Match the parts of brain given in list 1 with their function given in list 2. Medulla oblongata related to respiration. Hypothalamus related to body temperature. Cerebral cortex related to motor function. Limbic system related to olfaction. So option D is correct. Hydra reproduce asexually by producing buds. When male and female gametes are morphologically distinct, the condition is known as heterogamy. The role of filiform apertures in synergid is to guide the entry of pollen tube. Transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of another flower of the same plant is known as geitonogamy. Next question, another match column. Polyembryony lemon, perisperm, black pepper, false fruit, apple, parthenocarpy, banana. Which of the following hormone is not secreted by human placenta? Option is D, LH. In human females, the endometrium of uterus consists of glandular layer. If two primary spermatocyte and two primary oocyte undergo meiosis simultaneously, what will be the ratio of spermatozoa and ova produced by the end of gametogenesis? 4:1. The government of India legalized MTP with some strict regulation in the year of 1971. Next question. The process in which a small part of vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision is called vasectomy. Test cross in pea plant is a cross between F2 tall plant and recessive parent. The genotype ratio of incomplete dominant is 1:2:1. Option B. Find the incorrect statement among the following. Incorrect statement is individual affected by Down syndrome will have congenital heart defect and are more intelligent. It is incorrect. In a dihybrid cross between a true breeding round yellow seeded and true breeding wrinkled green seeded pea plant, the ratio of segregation of round and wrinkled seed trait in F2 generation is 3:1. Next question 46. Stanley Miller stimulated the condition of prebiotic earth using spark discharge apparatus. Which organic compounds were observed by him on analyzing the end product of his experiment? Amino acid. Most ape-like ancestral primate was Dryopithecus. The principle of vaccination is based on which property of immune system? Is memory. Genome of HIV replicates in the macrophage with the help of enzyme is called reverse transcriptase. Read the following statement. Option C is the correct. Option C means statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Mule is the result of interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization. Identify the bacterial disease among the following. Black rot of crucifers. Match column. Vitamin A carrot. Vitamin A carrot. Single cell protein spirulina sp. Vitamin C bitter gourd. Protein beans. Option B is correct. The chemical substances which are reproduced by some microbes which can kill or retarded growth or other microbes are known as antibiotic. Select the correct statement from the following. Option D is correct. Which of these enzyme is required to cleave a plasmid? Endonuclease. 57. The natural reservoir of phosphorus is rocks. The sequence of communities of primary succession in water is phytoplankton, then rooted hydrophytes, then free-floating hydrophytes, then red swamps, marsh meadows, scarps and trees. So option D is the correct answer. 59. Another match column. Biochemical adaptation related to deep sea fishes. Behavioral adaptation to desert lizard. Physiological adaptation kangaroo rats. Morphological adaptation opuntia. The annual net primary productivity of the biosphere is approximately 170 billion tons. So video is complete. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.